Florida has no repair and deduct law. If you rent a home in Florida, you cannot hire someone, pay for the work, and take the cost off your rent. That right simply does not exist here. And the withhold rule you will see quoted all over the internet sits in the part of the code that governs commercial tenancies, not homes. What Florida actually gives you is a written notice route. You tell the landlord in writing exactly what is not being maintained and that you intend to act on it. You allow the short window the law gives the landlord to put it right, and if nothing happens, you may end the tenancy or raise the failure as a defense if the landlord comes after you for the rent, in which case a judge decides how much the rent is reduced, and your rent goes into the court registry rather than into a contractor's hands. That is why this page builds a 7-day notice of non-compliance instead of a deduction letter, and the page walks you through the Florida rules behind it. Complete the fields on the page and download the PDF the moment you are done. It is formatted correctly, and it is yours to keep as the record copy. If that helped, hit like, subscribe so the rest of the 50-state series finds you, and head to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com to fill yours in free.